Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone and you're watching my Project 1 screencast for Mobile Interfaces and Usability 1211. So this project went fairly smoothly. I do have some experience with design though, so it was definitely right up my alley. After programming for a couple months though, it did take some time to get the creative juices flowing. But once I got in the right mode, everything started to go a lot smoother. One thing I did struggle with a lot was actually coming up with the design for my feature. I had originally messed around with several different ideas involving calendars and just wasn't happy with any of them. Um, but after thinking about it for a while, I did finally come up with the string on the finger idea based on the Never Forget a Date Again slogan, and I'm definitely pleased with the way that came out. As for the layout of my app, I was originally going to put the browse by events first, but then after thinking about it some, I finally decided that a user is more likely going to want to search for a specific event before they would browse by event type. So I decided to move that up. As for the browse events section, I was originally messing around with just using the drop down that I have for my add items page, but I wasn't really sure about it. So I actually emailed Robin to see if it would meet the criteria and everything, and she actually gave me the idea to just do separate buttons for each event, which hadn't even dawned on me for some reason or another, but it was an excellent idea. It fits wonderfully in the context, so thank you, Robin. As for the way I did the buttons, I'm kind of on the fence about those. I do like them, but I don't love them. I actually just came up with another idea that involves my icons, so I'm going to mess around with that some too and see what I can come up with. I did have to expand my app a little bit. I originally only had 3 different event types, but I added the appointment and then also a meeting and then made new icons for those. Here's the appointment icon, which is an open planner, and let's see if I can find a meeting icon here for you. It's a briefcase. So I think those fit really well. I did get a lot of good ideas for usability that I'm definitely going to be using in the future too, that I just might even implement on here. I'm just kind of trying to figure everything out. I guess that's about it. Again, this is Eli Freestone. This is Project 1 for MIU 1211. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.